In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a color palette from a photo using a boho background. We're going to turn a single image into a ready-to-use color palette, and we'll use a boho background as the example. This approach is great when you want your design elements to match a photo's mood without guessing hex codes or hunting for swatches. Start by opening your design workspace and heading to the element search. Type in boho background. You're looking for a background image with distinct, harmonious tones. Think earthy browns, soft terracottas, muted pinks, or warm neutrals. Choose one that fits the vibe you want, then place it onto your canvas and set it as the background so it fills the space. The clearer and more cohesive the image colors are, the better the palette extraction will look. Next, add a color-changing graphic on top of that background. A simple flower icon or any solid fill shape works perfectly. The key is that it's a graphic whose color can be edited, not a photo. Position it where you can see it clearly over the background. With the graphic selected, open the color picker. You'll notice that the color selection now includes hues pulled directly from your boho background, often labeled as colors from the image. This is the magic. The tool automatically detects the dominant and complementary tones in your photo and presents them as swatches. Click through those swatches to recolor your flower and preview how each extracted hue looks when applied to an element. If you don't immediately see those photo-based swatches, make sure your background is selected and properly placed. Then reselect your graphic and open the color panel again. Sometimes it helps to briefly click the background image to refresh the palette detection. As you test different swatches on the flower, pay attention to contrast. Darker colors from the image can be used for text or key accents, while lighter tones can serve as backgrounds or secondary details. Because every color you're choosing comes from the same photo, everything will feel cohesive. This method gives you a palette that's literally based on the photo in your design. Swap the background image, and the available colors will update to match that new picture's vibe. It's a fast, reliable way to keep your project visually consistent without manual color picking. That's it. Search for a boho background, add a color-changing graphic, like a flower, and use the automatically suggested colors from your image to build your palette. Try it with different styles and see how each photo instantly inspires a new set of tones.